In this video, I'm going to discuss how to create tables within Microsoft Project Oakdale. I'm also going to show you how to set up relationships between tables. Hey everyone, it's Joe from FC Tech, a great place to find tech news, reviews, and tutorials. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button, and all the links we reference in this video can be found in the video's description. And with that said, let's jump into it. Alright, so here we are back in the app that we created in the last video. If you didn't see that video, I'll leave a link up at the top if you'd like to view that. You can always come back here after to learn how to create tables and relationships. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and create the table for, or I should say tables for this app. Just to get started, I'll click on create a new table. Then I'll enter a table name. Just label this table 1, then I'll click create. All right, by default, it always has a name column. From here, I can click on add column with the plus button here, and I can type in the name. I'll do color, and then I'm going to choose choice. From here, I'm actually going to enter my choices. I'll do red, and I can actually choose the color red here. Add another choice. I'll do green. Choose green. And then I will do gray. And I'll choose the color gray. Then I'll click create. Alright, you can see that the table has been saved. So I'll click the X to close out. Now we need to create a second table in order to create the relationship. You could also use a CDS table or a table or of some sort or in another entity. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to create another table here. So I'll click add data. I'll click create new table. I'll type in the table name. It'll be table 2. I'll click create. You can actually double click here to enter whatever you want. I'll just do type blue. Then I'll do green. And then I'll type gray. And you can see that it's, once again, it's saved. It's set to table 2S. I'll click on the X, close out. All right. And now you can see both of my tables are located here on the left. In order to set up a new relationship between these two tables, we need to actually click back on build. I believe they're going to relocate this with the official release of this this app. But for now, in order to set up a relationship, you need to click on build. And you can see here the app that we created in the previous video, along with the two tables. In order to set up the relationship, I need to click on one of the tables. So I'll click on table 1. All right, from here I need to click on the relationships tab at the top. Then I need to click on add relationship. From here, you'll see options that many of you who have database experience are probably familiar with. You have the option for many-to-one relationships, one-to-many, and many-to-many. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to choose many-to-one. And you can see the current table that's selected is table 1. And now we can set the related table. We'll set that to table 2. And you can see the lookup column name is set to table 2. There's an option to add general settings, which you can just rename the relationship name or add a description here. Also, if you click on advanced options, you have the option to choose the type of behavior for the relationship. And if I click on the little information icon here, it'll actually give us a little more info, and I'll read that for you. So you have the option to set up a referential remove link. Which basically states any related records can be navigated to, and actions taken on one will not affect the other. Referential restrict delete. Any related records can be navigated to. Actions taken on the parent record will not be applied to the child record, but the parent record cannot be deleted while the child record exists. And then there's parental. Any action taken on a record of the parent entity is also taken on the related child entity records. So for instance, like a delete or something, it would carry over. And then there's the custom option. Custom behavior for each possible action can be selected. For the sake of this, I'm just going to choose parental, and then I'll click done. Then I need to make sure we click on Save Table in the lower right-hand corner. All right, now our relationship should be all set. If I click back on Build, and then I click on our app again, might speed through this. It's taking a few seconds. All right, here we are back at our app. I'm actually going to work on building this out in a future video, but for now I'm probably going to leave things here. If you're interested in seeing how an app is built, basic app is built within this, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, just so you're notified when I do upload new videos. But that's pretty much it for now. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.